Garbage.
Nice. So, oh, we never addressed this. So, we had a little accident. Was going around a traffic circle, and it was raining really heavy, and he wound up facing the wrong way, and kind of kissed the guardrail a little bit. So the fender's messed up a lot. I know. I'm as sad as you guys are. The bump there. And then if you come over here to the rear quarter panel, this is all jacked up as well. Nice and ricey. So, yeah.
I just found $50 literally in my jeans.
Fall that hard way. Okay, so the fender just unbolts and you can take off the fender and put a new fender on. The rear panel over there is like part of the car. See how this is all connected here? There's something like 150 spot welds holding that together in all. So that has to be cut off and a new one welded on. Which we can't do. So he's gonna live with that for a little while, and we're gonna try to get quotes from a body shop and, you know, see what that damage is. Maybe do a color change while we're at it. Who knows? We'll see. Probably not. But in the meantime, we're just gonna stick with the mods and pretend like everything's okay. Cool. Yeah, that should be good. Today, I got some new parts. And you know what? Let's unbox those now. We have a brand new, fancy radiator. Wow. Up in you can just bask in the sun for a little while and look beautiful there. Just open it, I have to cut it open. We have a fan strap to go with it. Nice slim fans. So that'll go on as well. On the other side though. Oh, okay, my glove ripped already. We're gonna flush it, make sure everything's out, and then drain it again, take out the old radiator, put the new one in, so you don't get any nasty shit going on in the new one. So let's drain it. Let's get started.
Let's drain the main vein.
Yeah, that's supposed to be green. Okay. And then you have a funnel. Thank you.
Is that your power read or is that mine?
So, how many shop towels? Advantages of having a small car. I'm laying on the ground. I could open my radiator cap. Now, let's take this shit out. Can you go put these down? Now put them up, put them up, put them up. Okay.
Motherfucker.
Pop off these fancy hoses that were given to me by such good friends of mine. Just kidding, they're assholes. What the fuck are you doing?
Hello? Look at that sick intake mod. Yeah, we don't need that shit anyway. Haven't you taken this out before?
The radiator?
Yeah.
Yeah. I forgot about the AC one.
I accidentally put ranch dressing on my shirt. I wiped it off, and then I wiped my forehead, and I just wiped ranch dressing on my forehead.
Moment of truth. Good shit.
How are you feeling right now, Steve?
Very excited. I'm very excited.
This is a microphone.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so I'm super excited. That's out now. So we're gonna get the fans on the other radiator and then get that in, and then we'll be ready for race. We'll get back on the road, and hopefully, we'll finish with a good time today.
There you have it, folks. Steven Carlson just finished up his radiator.
All right, so this is the top here. Go to fan other way. You gotta be shitting me.
It doesn't fit. Let me do it.
Okay, so Mishimoto sent me a fan shroud already, and it was too small. It was about an inch too small, so the holes didn't line up. So, long ordeal. Sent it back to them. They wound up sending me a new one, and they said we don't know when the new replacements or units are going to be ready. And then he said, we got one in, so we'll send it out to you. And so I just assumed that it would fit. And we just took it out of the box, and we lined it up with the holes. You notice these top holes line up just fine here. And then if you look at the bottom down here, there's radiator and holes that are missing. But we already have the other radiator out, and I've been waiting for this for way too long. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna put this in as it is. We can't put the other fans on because then it'll be too wide, because this radiator is wider than the stock radiator. So that we need the slim fans. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna put the 2 bolts in up top. We're not gonna use the sealant tape, and we're just gonna get it in the car, and then we're gonna have another conversation with Mishimoto. It's not gonna be as efficient, because now you see we have this gap here, where this should be flush by being bolted down to the other side. But it's still going to be better than what I have in the car right now, because one of the fans in the stock radiator fan shroud doesn't work. So I have to have the AC on for one of the fans to work, and then the other one comes on intermittently. So this should still be better in the meantime. So we're just going to test fit it into the car and see how it works. Alright, that's in.
That's not in though. The one side's sticking out. Alright, Steve, so what seems to be the problem?
Okay, so I gotta get some hardware off of the old radiator for the lower mounts. And I also have to do a little bit of wiring with this connector, because it's not the same connector as the other one.
Which connector is that?
The AC fan. So we'll do a little bit of that.
So you're going to cut that off? We'll cut the old one off?
Off the old one. No, I'm not going to cut this. I'm going to cut the one off this one, and then kind of make a makeshift connector with some electrical parts that'll stick into these like that.
So what's the time you think it'll take to explode?
Either 30 seconds or never. So those are on, and then we need the lower mounts as well, which need convincing to come off. They got this little clip right here. And then pop off.
Did you get it?
I'll cut my hand a little bit, but it's okay. And then
It's not seen that
What's a hammer?
is. There we go. Is it in?
yeah.
Sweet.
This can go back on.
You got everything hooked up down bottom?
Yeah.
Don't forget to hook your catch can back up.
Yeah. So that wire plugs in. That one works. This one over here though.
I pulled them both out.
Okay. They don't work.
Well, that's.
So we're gonna cut this off.
Oh.
So now we have this.
Oh, man.
This one does hook up into this. Like it should. And then we're going to take these.
We're gonna cut the other one off.
No. Because we might have to return this. So we don't want to cut those off. I'm going to strip the ends of these.
So where are you going to put those?
Just let me finish.
We're
We're
just
going
going
to
to
try to see
wrap
which
them around
colors.
the other ones?
Can you just let me finish? Just watch.
I'm trying to see if I'll be right.
Okay. Well, that one will go on the other one.
Oh, wait, he's going to stick them in.
Yes,
The
I'm
other
making pins.
Oh, I get it now. Hear that, folks? I knew it all along.
Okay.
How often do you read or watching the news? Once every few
Years.
years.
Hold on, I gotta
Do
get
you subscribe to any newspapers, news apps, or other news aggression services? No.
You mean aggregation?
Never
services?
considered it.
Not news aggression services?
It's aggregation services.
Aggressive news. It's a new kind of news where.
Just fuck Steve, alright?
Steve, your response?
Fuck me.
Clip.
What the fuck are you guys doing? Oh, see, this one's got a blue stripe on it, so it should go to the same one over here with a blue stripe on it. And then this one should go to the other one. We're gonna put a piece of tape in between so it doesn't short. We're gonna tape this up as well. It's gonna look really bad, but it should be safe.
Tape it to that hose right there, too. So it doesn't go anywhere.
Jank Master Steve.
Steve is the jank man.
I'm related to MacGyver, I think.
Okay, so that's a thing now.
The bane of Steve's existence.
Yes, cooling is the bane of my existence, and hopefully this will be the end of it, but it seems like it might not be considering I got a part twice and it was wrong both times.
You could have just added water. It's summer.
Yeah, I know, but
Just add Coca-Cola.
That'd be okay. Besides all the rust.
Coca-Cola and plastic dip. That's all you need.
it's full-ish, so we're gonna start it and turn the heat on. So the thermostat's closed right now. You're only affecting the coolant that's here, and that's pouring out the bottom of the engine. All the other stuff in the heater core and in the engine block, it's still just been sitting there.
It's not going to come spewing out.
No, it's not going to come spewing out. If you bring it up to temperature, it might steam out eventually once it's really hot, but
I got
it's really a problem. It's really, when this is on, it's pressurized. So when you open it up, it's all going to out. If it's never on to begin with, it's never pressurized. It's not dangerous.
Wade wants to be a painter now.
Wade the painter. Alright, the mat. And we're done! We finished. Oh wait, we have one more thing. That goes right here.
Right here.
Right here. Can you check the temperature for me?
I can't see anything.
Alright, so we finished it up. We got the radiator in. There's 2 bolts holding the fans on, but they work. And we have this nice new, I don't even know what to call this, nice little cover plate in front of that. That's it, I don't really have anything else to say. It's kind of a really lame way to end the episode. This way, like that.